Good morning, bird, said sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said bird. Nay, said sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Beaver. Hello, bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hand, said bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guzzed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Who does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted bird. I'm just walking. Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. Stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird snooed on one leg. The other animal stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said bird.
I need a melody.
Come on, said bird. Who had frogged him? Froggen? All about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Who's never too grumpy to fly? The end.